very good morning to our lecturer, Mr. Darrell Hassan, Matthew, and everyone. Today, we will be presenting our Microsoft Access Group project entitled Barbie&Ken Island Hotel Management System. Throughout this presentation, we will explain the company background, the problem identified in the current system, our proposed database design, and the recommended solution developed using Microsoft Access. Without any further ado, let me begin with the company background and project overview. Barbie&Ken Island Hotel is a hospitality company that provides comfortable accommodation and high-quality services for both local and international guests. The hotel offers three types of room, namely standard, deluxe, and suites, to meet different customer needs. Besides accommodation, the hotel also manages guest registration, room bookings, check-in and check-out, and payment transaction. To improve this operation, we developed a hotel management system using Microsoft Access. The system centralized guest and booking information into a structured database, helping hotel staff manage record more efficiently, reduce manual errors, and improve daily operation.
Next, I will continue with the identification of problem. Before implementing this database system, the hotel relied on manual methods such as paper records and spreadsheets to manage guest and booking information. This approach created several operational problems. So the first problem was poor record management. Since guest and booking information was stored separately, it was difficult for hotel staff to organize, update, and retrieve records efficiently. This often resulted in duplicate records, missing information, and inconsistencies in data. The second problem was inefficient booking management. Staff had to verify guest and booking information manually, which was time-consuming and increased the possibility of human errors, such as incorrect room assignments and inaccurate booking details. Another issue was the difficulty in preparing reports and analyzing operational data. Staff had to collect information from multiple sources before preparing reports, making the process slower and more prone to calculation errors. Lastly, retrieving historical guest and booking records was also challenging because the information was not stored in a centralized database. This limited the hotel's ability to monitor occupancy, analyze booking trends, and support management decision-making effectively. Now, I will move on to the queries developed in our hotel management system. Queries are important because they allow users to retrieve and analyze specific information quickly based on selected criteria. This improves data retrieval, reduces manual searching, and supports more efficient hotel operation. So the first query is Query Deluxe Guests, which displays guests who book deluxe rooms. This helps hotel management monitor the demand for deluxe accommodation and analyze booking patterns. The second query is Query Room Selection, which displays guest records according to the selected room type. This enables hotel staff to organize reservations more systematically and monitor room occupancy across different room categories. The third query is Query Late Check-In, which identifies guests who check in after a specified date. This allows hotel staff to monitor late arrivals and maintain more organized check-in records. Moving on, Query Payment displays important payment information including the guest ID, payment method, and total amount. This query helps staff verify payment transactions and maintain accurate financial records. Finally, Query Total Stay is a calculated query that uses the date-diff function to calculate the total number of days each guest stayed at the hotel. This eliminates manual calculations and provides accurate information for reporting and operational analysis. Overall, these queries improve the efficiency of retrieving hotel information and support better operational planning and decision-making.
To solve the current operational issues at Barbie&Ken Island Hotel, such as misplaced paperwork, slow check-ins, and human errors in dialing, our group highly recommends implementing a centralized digital system using Microsoft Access. This software acts as a complete solution because it provides 5 core database tools that perfectly address our hotel's problem. First, we use tables to replace physical logbooks and securely store all raw data regarding our customers and reservations. Second, we establish a formal relationship to link these data categories together, ensuring room availability match the right guest without any duplication. Third, we implement queries to let our front desk staff filter and search for a specific check-in dates or room status instantly. Fourth, we design user-friendly forms so our staff can easily input new guests in registration details digitally. And finally, we generate reports to summarize the hotel's daily occupancy and revenue metrics for management review. By integrating all these 5 elements, Barbie&Ken Island Hotel can eliminate manual errors, secure data consistency, and speed up guest service. Now, let's look at the guest table, which acts as our main directory to store customer profiles. As displayed on the spin-in design view, this table features 7 crucial fields to capture customer demographic. We assign guest ID as the primary key with an auto number data type to guarantee that every customer profile automatically receives a completely unique identifier. Other fields use short text for guest name, phone number, IC number, and room type. We also use a data type for the check-in date and a number data type for total guests to monitor room occupancy limits for safety compliance. Moving on to the next slide, this image displays the datasheet view for our guest table, where you can see our actual back-end rows. To satisfy our project requirements and properly simulate real-world hotel traffic, our group has populated a total of 60 unique guest records as shown in the record count at the bottom. This comprehensive dataset proves that our database structure can handle high-volume customer tracking efficiently without creating data duplicates at the front desk. Next is our second core entity, which is the booking table. While the guest table stores personal profiles, this table handles the physical room assignments and financial billing transactions. This slide displays the design view of the table, which consists of 6 fields. Booking ID serves as the primary key using auto number. Crucially, the guest ID field here is configured as a number type acting as the foreign key. This creates a one-to-many relationship between our two tables, meaning a single customer only registers once, but can return and make multiple separate room bookings over time. The remaining fields are room number, checkout date using date, time, payment method, and total amount, which is set to currency for accurate accounting. Finally, looking at the datasheet view for the booking table, the image shows that our system currently records a total of 19 active transactional rows. As we can observe, every row here is cleanly linked to a specific guest ID. This relational integration ensures that all room numbers, selected payment methods, and final billing amounts link straight back to the correct primary customer profile without any tracking errors.
Next, I will explain the form section, which is provide a user-friendly interface that allows users to enter, edit, and manage data more easily. Compared to working directly with tables, forms makes the system more organized, efficient, and easier to use. The first form is the guest form. It is used to record and manage guest information, such as guest ID, guest name, phone number, IC number, check-in date, room type, and total guest. It also includes buttons such as Add, Save, Delete, and Exit to help users manage guest records more efficiently. Next, the booking form is used to manage reservation information, including booking ID, room number, checkout date, payment method, and total amount. This form helps hotel staff record and update booking information accurately. Lastly, this is the hotel dashboard, which is developed using tab control. The dashboard is divided into 3 sections, namely guest info, booking info, and summary. This is the guest info section of the hotel dashboard. It displays guest information in one place, allowing users to view and manage guest records easily. This is the booking info section of the hotel dashboard. It displays booking details, making it easier for users to view and manage reservation information accurately. Lastly, this is the summary section of the hotel dashboard. It provides an overview of hotel information including the total number of guests, total bookings, and room types, allowing users to monitor hotel operations more efficiently.
The hotel summary report is designed to provide a complete overview of all guest reservations in the hotel system. It contains important information such as the guest name, room number, check-in date, check-out date, and the total payment made during their stay. In addition, the report reduces the need to manually search through individual booking records, which save time and minimize errors. Overall, the hotel summary report supports better planning and decision-making by providing accurate and meaningful information regarding hotel performance. Next, the hotel total stay report focuses on the duration of each guest stay at a hotel. The report displays details such as guest name, check-in dates, check-out dates, and the total number of days spent in the hotel. Furthermore, the report contributes to better room utilization by ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently. By understanding stay patterns, management can improve operational planning and enhance the overall guest experience. Therefore, this report serves as a valuable tool for both strategy and daily hotel management activity. Lastly, the deluxe guest report specifically focuses on guests who have booked deluxe rooms. This report provides management with detailed information about customers who choose premium accommodation within the hotel. Additionally, the hotel can develop targeted promotion and personalized services for premium guests to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Since deluxe rooms often generate higher revenue, monitoring this segment is important for maximizing profitability. Overall, the deluxe guest report supports informed decision making and helps the hotel maintain a competitive advantage in delivering excellent hospitality services.
Next, I will explain the relationship between the guest table and the booking table. A relationship was created between these two tables using the guest ID field. The type of relationship is one-to-many, which means that one guest can have multiple booking records, while each booking record belongs to only one guest. This relationship is important because it helps organize the database more effectively. Instead of entering the same guest information every time a new booking is made, the guest details are stored only once in the guest table. The booking table only stores the guest ID, which links each booking to the correct guest. By using this relationship, the database prevents duplicate data and improves data consistency. It also reduces error when updating guest information because changes only need to be made in the one place. In addition, this relationship makes it easy to retrieve complete information by combining data from both tables. For example, user can quickly view a guest's personal details together with all of their booking records. This also improves the efficiency of queries and report generation, making the hotel management system more organized, accurate, and reliable.
In conclusion, the proposed hotel management system provides a more efficient way to manage hotel operation by using a centralized database. It improves data accuracy, reduces manual errors, and simplifies guest booking and payment management. Overall, this project has allowed us to apply the knowledge and skill learned in BTM510 to a real business scenario while understanding the importance of data system in supporting business operation. Thank you, everyone. That's all from us.